Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our presentation. First of all, I thanked my honorable teacher and my teammates to give me the opportunity. I'm MD Asir Abdullah Rafi. My ID is 241-15701. So today, me and my teammates are discuss about the topic of register. And we all know register is a very important topic of digital logic design. So here my all teammates, MD Tanbir Rashid Tasin, MD Asir Abdullah Rafi, Afrin Hussain Shuchi, MD Sabbir Hussain, and Abdullah Al Rafi. So here are the table of contents of this presentation. First one is definition, second one is building blocks, and third one is classification, and fourth one is universal shift register, and the fifth one is real world application, and the last one is summary. What is register? A register is a circuit made of flip-flop that can store n bit of data like 4-bit, 16-bit, 8-bit, etc. Each flip-flop store one bit, and so a 4-bit register use 4 flip-flops. And why register are used? Register are used to store data temporarily, move data from one to another, and perform operations like shift, hold, and load, etc. The building blocks. When we make a register, we use flip-flops. There are 4 types of flip-flops like D flip-flop, D flip-flop, JK flip-flop, and SR flip-flop. In register, we specially use D type flip-flop and JK flip-flop. So in the picture, we see there is a 4-bit register, and in this picture, the flip-flop used, that is D flip-flop. There is an input and there is an output, and there is a clock also. So that's it, and the next presentation will describe my next teammate. So thank you.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Afrin Hussain Shuchi. My ID is 241-15660. As my previous teammate has already explained what register is and how it works, now I will continue with the classifications. Registers are mainly classified based on how data enters and how data comes out. There are 4 main types: serial in, serial out, serial in, parallel out, parallel in, serial out, and parallel in, parallel out. Here, the word serial means data moves 1 bit at a time, and parallel means data moves many bits at a time. Now I will explain the first type, which is serial in, serial out. In this type of register, data enters 1 bit at a time and also comes out 1 bit at the same time. With each clock pulses, the data shifts 1 position forward. Because of this step-by-step movement, it needs more time. For example, if you want to store 4 bits, it will take 4 clock pulses. It is mainly used for temporary storage and signal delay purposes. So we can say that it's a slow but very controlled way of sending data. Now our next teammate will explain more about it. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I am MD Tanbir Rashid Tasin, ID 241-15689. Now, let's talk about the SIPO register, which stands for Serial In Parallel Out. In this type of register, data enters 1 bit at a time through a single serial input. With every clock pulse, the bits shift from one flip-flop to the next. Once all the bits have been shifted in, the register provides the output all at once in parallel across multiple output lines. This means that although the data enters slowly, it becomes available instantly in multiple bits at the output. This makes SIPO registers very useful when we need to convert serial data into parallel form, especially when receiving data from communication lines, sensors, or any device that sends information bit by bit. Next, we have PISO register, which stands for Parallel Input Serial Output. In this register, data is loaded all at once through multiple parallel input lines. After the parallel loading, the register begins shifting the bits out one at a time through the serial output. This allows the register to take a full set of data instantly but send it out gradually, one bit per clock pulse. Because of this behavior, PISO registers are ideal for parallel to serial conversion, where many input bits must be transmitted through a single communication line. Thank you. The next slide will continue, my friend.
This is Abdullah Rafi and my ID is 241152112. Today I will be covering two essential register types, PIPO and the universal shift register. Firstly, parallel in, parallel out. PIPO is the PIPO stands for parallel in and parallel out. This means the data loads and unloads simultaneously. The key features of this register type are firstly the speed. If we talk about the speed, it is the fastest register because it only needs one signal clock pulse to load all the data. And secondly, if we talk about the uses of this, the PIPO is vital for CPU tasks, and it acts like a high speed temporary storage element like the accumulator. If we jump into the next slide, the universal shift register. This register type is called universal because it combines all possible shift functions such as serial, parallel, shift left, shift right, all into one component. If we talk about the mode control and the uses of this register type, the operation is selected by a mode control input. Firstly, if we talk about the control, this switch lets us choose between hold, load, shift right or shift left. And the functionalities are this versatility is crucial for arithmetic operations such as multiplying, dividing by 2, and all types of data conversions. And if we summarize the topics, in short, the PIPO gives us speed and the universal register gives us the maximum flexibility. That's all from me, and thank you everyone.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Mohammad Sabir Hossain. My ID is 2411563. My previous team member discussed about universal shift register. Now I'm discuss about real world application of register, which are connected CPU and memory, data communication and time delay. CPU and memory. Register serves as the fastest memory within the processing unit. They function as the program counter, instruction register and accumulator, which are the critical for controlling the CPU's execution flow. Data communication. Registers are vital for transmitting data to send information over a USB or network wise. We must convert the pieces parallel data into serial data. This is handled by parallel in, parallel out. Time delay. The create precise time delays serial in, serial out register hold data for the specific number of clock cycle, which is critical for synchronization, ensuring that part of the digital circuit operate in perfect time. Register are the heart of sequential logic. From simple data storage to complex arithmetic shifting in processors, they bridge the gap between static conventional logic and dynamic data processing. Thank you everyone. Assalamu alaikum.